हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक इन अनदर फ्रेश वीडियो। तो इस वीडियो में पिछले वाली वीडियो से हम लोग काफी आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं। तो पिछले दो वीडियोस में हमने बात की कम्युनिकेशन की, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एंड व्हाई इट इज नेसेसरी टू इंप्रूव योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स व्हाइल यू आर इन कॉलेज। तो आज की जो टॉपिक है वीडियो की है वो है बिल्डिंग नेटवर्किंग इन कॉलेज। तो वाई नेटवर्किंग इज नेसेसरी इन कॉलेज, ठीक है। तो मैंने कुछ लिखा है वो पहले आपको पढ़ के सुना दूंगा। Building meaningful connections and nurturing relationships is essential for personal and professional growth. तो आई टोटली एग्री विद दैट कि अगर आप कॉलेज टाइम पे हैं, जो भी आपका स्पेसिफिक कॉलेज टाइम ऑफ पीरियड है, अगर आपने उसमें नेटवर्किंग नहीं बनाई तो आपने एक तरीके से अपने कॉलेज का बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट टाइम जो है वो सिर्फ मजे में ही उड़ा दिया। कॉलेज ये नहीं कहता कि आप सिर्फ मजे कीजिए, आपसे पढ़ाई कीजिए, इसके साथ साथ आपको और भी काफ़ी चीज़ें होती हैं जिन पे खुद को इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए। उसमें से नेटवर्किंग एक अच्छी खासी चीज़ है जिस पे आपको टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहिए, क्योंकि नेटवर्किंग से ना सिर्फ आप प्रोफेशनली ग्रो करेंगे एज वेल एज आप पर्सनली भी ग्रो करेंगे। उसके काफ़ी रीजंस हैं कि क्यों हमें नेटवर्किंग बनाना चाहिए और वाई नेटवर्किंग इज नेसेसरी इन टूडेज वर्ल्ड, ठीक है। तो इन कॉलेज दिस स्किल कैन हैव अ प्रोफाउंड इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर फ्यूचर अपॉर्चुनिटीज। बिल्कुल सही बात है कि अगर आप नेटवर्किंग बनाएंगे, आप इजिली लोगों से कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं या उनके नेटवर्क में ज्वाइन कर पा रहे हैं खुद को, तो आगे चल के कहीं ना कहीं वो नेटवर्क आपको पक्का से पक्का 110% बेनिफिट देने ही वाला है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक ऐसा बंदा है जो सिर्फ पढ़ाई या एकेडमिक्स में ही बहुत ज्यादा तेज है और एक ऐसा बंदा है जो स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत ज्यादा तेज है। इन दोनों की नेटवर्किंग अपने अपने डोमेन्स में अच्छे खासे होंगे, लेकिन एक ऐसा बंदा जो पढ़ाई में भी ठीक ठाक है और स्पोर्ट्स में भी ठीक ठाक है, तो इसके पास ज्यादा नेटवर्किंग होगी। क्यों? क्योंकि इसके पास पढ़ाई वाले डोमेन के भी बच्चे हैं और स्पोर्ट्स वाले डोमेन के भी बच्चे हैं, तो इसका नेटवर्किंग अच्छा खासा हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से ये अगर इसको कोई भी चीज हेल्प चाहिए होगी एकेडमिक्स के लिए तो एकेडमिक्स में चला जाएगा, और अगर इसको कोई हेल्प चाहिए होगी स्पोर्ट्स में या किसी और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में तो ये इजीली एक्सेस कर पाएगा उन सारे रिसोर्सेज को, उन सारे हेल्प को जो इसे एज एन इंडिविजुअल, एज अ डोमेन सिंगली ऑब्टेन नहीं कर सकता है वो आदमी। डिड यू गेट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? जस्ट कंसंट्रेट एंड लिसन मी प्रॉपर्ली, यू विल इजीली एबल टू गेट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से। नाउ the reason why networking and building relationships in college matter. Now I'm talking about relationship. It doesn't mean that a relationship between a boy and a girl. I'm talking relationships among your colleagues, among your classmates, among your teachers, among your professors, and among the people surrounded by you. So the first reason which I consider is that access to opportunities. Networking gives you the most and the significant pathway to grab more and more opportunities. For example, you can get job opportunities. For example, if a person has passed out from the recent batch, or you are in touch with someone who is been working in XYZ companies, for example, a multinational company, and you are having a network with them, you are connected through them, so you can easily get some referral or recommendations through them in their job, in their companies, so that you can easily get a job. So job opportunities can be easily accessible through building networks. First point. Another point is mentorship. For example, if a person who is having a good mentality and good intellectuality, and you think that he's a good and mature person and I need to discuss something with him or her, you can easily go and contact him in times of your depression, in times of stress, in times where you fail as a student. You can easily go to that person and say that these are the problems where I am facing the issue. So if that person has a good mentality or thought process, he will definitely help you, and this will be only possible because of the good network. Now you have to make a network so that you can, in the network you should have people who are intellectually smart, who are mature enough, who are good in academics, who are good in sports, and who can do anything. So you should build a strong network such that you can be easily access anything which you want in the world without investing much time on, rather moving from here and there and here and there and just getting stressed out. Another point why networking is necessary is collaborative opportunities. For best example for this is Instagram. For a person who is good in tech department or he's making a tech videos, he will have the network of tech influencers. For a person who is making entertainment videos, he will be having network with influencers or entertainment people. So now if they both come together, they could create a large audience in which they both will get benefited. Why? Because their video, influencer as a entertainment influencer, their video will reach to tech people, and tech influencers will their videos will reach to entertainment people. So you will get a large audience which will not only help you in getting what you are deserving or what you are trying to achieve. So these things are very necessary. What? Job opportunities, mentorships, and collaborative opportunities. So these things are really helpful why you should maintain a networking in college. Another reason which could be considered is learning from others, building your own reputation. For example, you as a fresher joined a college. Now you are in search of good people so that you can make the best out of your college time. Now you build some networks with the people around you whom do you think they are very good in these particular things, and I need to do same things, so I will go and prefer to have connection or network or to talk to them. See, now when you talk to them, you gain experience, and as the time passes on, the experience gets increased day by day, and at the end, when you will become as a senior, you will see many people will try to have network with you, or will try to grab attention of you, so that they could be easily helpful from you, so that मतलब कि उनको तुमसे मदद मिल सके at the end, which will increase your reputation. और आज के ज़माने में reputation is very necessary. I think reputation plays a very important role while you are living in a society. It totally doesn't affect whether you are earning 1,000 rupees per month, or you are 1,000 rupees per day, or 10,000 rupees per day. If you don't have reputation in the society, that 1,000 or 10,000 rupees doesn't matter a lot, and it totally doesn't matter. Now, the fourth point which I consider is emotional and social support. Why emotional? Because while you see, as a college student, it is not necessary that you will be happy all the time, or you will be in a sad phase all the time, you will be depressed, you will be stressed. These networks will help you to unlock yourself. You will be able to do introspection, you will be able to find out what you can do, you will be able to find out what are the best things you can achieve, what are the things you need to improve, what are the things you need to strong, what are your strengths, what are your weakness, what are your challenges, what are your opportunities. So emotional support and what emotional and social support is also very necessary, and we could easily able to get it from networking. So networking, as if now in the society where we live, networking is very necessary. Networking in the sense, you should go and connect to the people without any hesitation, that you are way level far from me, and you are good in this particular domain, so I need to build a network with you, or I need to be in touch with you, so that I could be easily being helped from you without intentionally or unintentionally. So according to me, start building your networks from the day one of your college. Now, why networking fails, or what are networking pitfalls to avoid? First reason is being too self-centered. Most of the people, when they enter a college, they try to make things on their own, or they try to grab everyone's attention, being self-centered, that they have done this. They want the just credit of everything, that yeah, this thing has been done from my team, and the idea was given by me, and this and that. So you should try to avoid being self-centered, because it will destroy your image in the people's perception, and they will not give you that respect which you really deserve. So being too self-centered can be a major reason which will destroy your networking. Another is the lack of follow-up. You think that as a teenager, we all have a urge that we should have many followers, we should have many likes and this and that on Instagram, Facebook, on any other social site in which we are working. So according to me, lack of follow-up can also be no. And the other reason is that being overly aggressive. See, I do agree that sometimes we are not in same particular mood all the time, that we are sometimes happy, we are sometimes sad, and things just go on in our mind, and we are constantly thinking about that. And sometimes it happens that a person interrupts you in between, and you get overly exaggerated, or aggression comes in your mind. So you should need to control that aggression, and you should use that aggression as a powerful tool to beat the problems which you are facing. See, being too aggressive can also lead the destruction of your networking, because people will not prefer to live with a person who is very very aggressive, because he will think that he is always aggressive, what he will do to me and what are the consequences, that whether if for example if I say to him and if the thing is not being liked by him, so he will again disagree me or he will become aggressive. So I don't want to be a part of that person, or don't want to be with that person who is very very aggressive. The last point is that forgetting to maintain relationship. Sometimes or many times it happens that when we are facing any issue in some other work, we go and reach the person that for example, bhaiya, these are the problems which I'm really facing now, and as soon as the problem gets sorted out, we tend not to face that person again, because we think that हमारा तो काम हो गया, अब हमें इनसे क्या लेना देना. तो ये जो चीज आपके दिमाग में चलती रहती है, वो बहुत गलत चीज है, बिकॉज अगर आप किसी से नेटवर्किंग बना रहे हैं तो आपका भी इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस बन जाता है उस नेटवर्किंग को आगे तक लेके चलना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वही एग्जाम्पल हिंदी से है, ताली दोनों हाथ से नहीं बजती है. तो आपको क्या करना है, अगर कोई इंसान आपको मदद करने के लिए तैयार है तो आपको भी उसकी मदद करनी पड़ेगी. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने उससे मदद ली है. तो आपको ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि अरे मैं उसकी मदद क्यों करूं, या मैं उसके बारे में क्यों ऐसा सोचूं. ये सब कुछ नहीं भैया, अगर उसने आपको मदद दी है तो आपको मदद करनी पड़ेगी. आपको नेटवर्किंग में या रिलेशनशिप में बना के चलना पड़ेगा. नाउ व्हाट आर माय फाइनल थॉट्स. लिखा था वही पढ़ के सुना देता हूं. नेटवर्किंग एंड बिल्डिंग रिलेशनशिप इन कॉलेज इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट सिक्योरिंग फ्यूचर अपॉर्चुनिटीज, इट्स अबाउट ग्रोइंग एज एन इंडिविजुअल. आपको बहुत अच्छा चांस मिल जाएगा, आप अपने आप को इंडिविजुअली ग्रो कर पाएंगे. लर्निंग फ्रॉम अदर्स एंड कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू योर कम्युनिटी. By fostering genuine connections, you build a network of people who can provide insight, support, and guidance throughout your academic journey into your career. The quality of your relations can play a significant role in your personal and professional success. So invest time in nurturing them while you are in college and build a good network while you are in college, so that when you pass out from your college, the people should remember you with a good name and with a good image in the society. That's all from my end. I hope you like the video. If the thoughts are very clear, do share the video, and if you want to subscribe the channel, you may subscribe it. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Be motivated and be hungry to learn everything. Thank you so much everyone. Take care. Bye.